Analytics 4 tutorial. Today we're going to be going over how to connect your Google Analytics 4 property to your Google Tag Manager container. What you need to do is you need to go and open your Google Analytics 4 property and your Google Tag Manager container and make sure that you have those open and you have those fully set up. And by fully set up, I mean, connected to your website and whatnot. So the first step, oops, I got ahead of myself here. So the first step is to open your Tag Manager property. You'll be met with this page. You want to go down to the tags section and you want to go ahead and click on new. What we're doing is we are creating a Google Analytics 4 configuration tag. So what you want to do is click on Google on the tag, and you want to click on Google Analytics 4 configuration. And from here, you need your measurement ID. So I'm going to show you how to get the measurement ID from your Google Analytics 4 property. So open up your Google Analytics 4 property and go down to admin. And you will need to go to data streams. And you will click on data streams and you will click on measurement ID. So once you have that, just go ahead and paste it in here. And make sure that you're not copying an extra space or anything like that, just to make sure. And if that looks all good, you're set for the tag configuration part. And down here under triggering, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go ahead and just click on all pages. So once you have this, I call this something like GA4 configuration tutorial. And now you just need to test it out by clicking on preview and putting your URL in here. Sometimes this box is empty. All you have to do is go to your website and copy your URL and put it in here. In my situation, I use this a lot, so it's going to be in here already. So if it's not in there, just go ahead and put it in there and click connect. And this will load the debugging version of your website. And all you have to do is go back to your container, click continue, and here we can see that the GA4 configuration tutorial has fired. So that means that our configuration tag is working and is working with our Google Analytics 4 property. So now the only thing you have to do is go ahead and click on submit. And I'm not going to submit it because we already have this set up, and I don't want to do that. I don't want a situation where I'm duplicating my analytics. But if you are having that set up for the first time, go ahead and click submit, and there you go. I hope that video was helpful to you, and go ahead and check out our other GA4 tutorials to help you understand the platform better as we get closer to the summer of 2023. So yeah, thank you for watching.